Guys, so today I'm gonna do a makeup video, and I just got this really nice package that I got from Hush. So this is what the video is mostly about. Hush. So Hush is an app that they sell dupes and even like not even dupe stuff like Pixie, and I think they sell NYX or Elf, one of those two. I know I've seen NYX in there before. I don't know. I don't remember. But anyways, I'll show you the app how it looks like.
So this is the app. You can post in there a lot, and then you can follow people and like the stuff you wanna buy, and they have like different stuff for your face, eyes, brushes. They basically have everything that's beauty related. They don't sell clothes at all or anything like that, but just like accessories. I think they sell earrings. I'm not sure, but I know they sell like a bunch of beauty products and skincare. So yeah, that's the app.
So anyway, that was Hush, the app, and I think you can also order online. I ordered mine on the app. I actually downloaded the app, and I seen reviews of them, a lot of reviews, and most of them are not pretty good. I don't know if it's because of the different brands they have, or it's because they don't want to support that company because they do a lot of dupes for other brands. And I really wanted to test it because I think it's pretty good that they have dupes for people who can't afford actual stuff that costs like $80 or more than the $80, and probably like more than $50. I actually spend $50 on my makeup palettes and stuff, and not all the time I'm gonna do that because I really need money for other stuff. But it's good to have like really good stuff that blends and stuff that works, that are dupes of that for people who can't afford it. And also because they do have a lot of dupes in other countries, um, and like in flea markets, and yeah, there's a lot of dupes in flea markets. So, and with those, people actually get really like stuff, like really bad stuff in their eye. It happens, but this is like a cruelty-free, really safe place where you can get stuff that are like dupes, but it's not like a fake Kylie Jenner or Jeffree Star makeup or anything like Too Faced or Urban Decay. Like I said, I've seen so many reviews of it, and people has different opinions of them, and it seems like beauty gurus, like the really famous ones, don't really like the app, and they don't understand how it feels not to have money in a way and be happy with like a $10 palette. So far, I already swatched this stuff, so if you have me on Instagram or on Snapchat, you saw that I swatched this palettes, and they actually look really good swatches. Like they look amazing. They don't even look too patchy or anything like that. But we don't know that yet too much about if they're like an A plus till I try them on today and tomorrow, because I'm gonna try 3 different looks. So today I'm gonna try to do 2 looks, and tomorrow I'm gonna try to do another look. So what I'm gonna do today is do 2 looks with these 2. So these 2 is from what was it again, the name of these? Candy, face candy. So I got these. So yeah, they're pretty nicely packed. So Hush did a good job on the packing stuff. It was a good deal. I got these 2 bundles for $16 for shipping, and they added a blender cleanser. So it looks like that brand beauty cleaner, the one that has this face sponge on their logo. I think it's called beauty something, beauty blender, something like that. So Hush did a good job on the packaging. Like I said, they put so much bubble wraps, so it's good for that, for anxiety. So yeah, I got this too, and those two, like I said, are from Face Candy Makeup, which you can follow them on Instagram. And so far, it looks like these two are really good. So yeah, I already opened them. I swatched them. So this is Tropics. These two supposed to be dupes for the Venus palette and the second Venus palette. So this first one's supposed to be from the Venus palette. So Tropics is from the Venus palette dupe. I'm gonna compare them. And then we have Rainforest, which is really nice. Everything is like really nice in packaging, and I like how it feels, like the palette. It's really weighted. So Rainforest is supposed to be Venus palette too. So I'm gonna compare the swatches and everything. It's not gonna be my swatches because I don't have the Venus palettes. Like I said, they're really pricey. I think for the bundle it's like $80, but I'll grab somebody's swatches and just put them in comparison and stuff and see if they actually work on my eyes. So this is gonna be a tryout, a review of how they're gonna look on my eye for the past 2 days. And today I'm gonna try these two separate on the eye, and then tomorrow I'm gonna try a mixture of these two and see how well they blend together. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna know the tea about this stuff right now. So it comes in a mirror. Not a lot of pricey palettes have mirrors. It comes with this, so it's to be very safe.
So I did 3 tutorials with Rainforest and Tropic all together and separate, and it didn't let me upload them on my phone because I do everything on my phone. So it all came out really good. As you can see, I look very satisfied on these videos that is coming up that I did that day and the next day whenever I tested out. And I will try to do separate videos all over again, doing different makeup looks with them in another video. So this is just gonna be a video about just mostly the app together and how these eyeshadows from Face Candy works out. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next 11 hours after this.
This is the final results. Some of it's still there, but my face is so oily from the weather here in Houston. My skin is not that used to the weather. See, like even my eyebrow is gone kind of. And I was outside for a good time. I wasn't inside like a lot today, so that's why most of my makeup is gone, even my eyeliner. So far, yeah, my other part of the eyebrow. But yeah, so far they're pretty great. Like the blue is kind of still there, it's hanging. Like I'm sure this kind of does better than Too Faced, to be honest. Too Faced kind of a little bit sometimes disappears. I don't know if it's because they changed their formula now. I have to try like how their new formula now, because I heard it changed so far, because the peach palette does a good job, but this is from humidity, so a lot of makeups in here in Houston would not last well because of the humidity, and then I have oily skin, I don't have dry skin, so it easily gets erased, as you can see. But so far it has held there. The thing that I didn't like from the makeup thing is that I sometimes needed to apply a little bit more, but it's worth it. than what it's cost, and it's pretty pigmented to me. And also the black, it needs a little bit more work, because when I put it with the brush, because I couldn't see any of the glitters, I tried to see, like, move around my head if I could see any glitters. There was like barely any. Some, like, whenever you do the swatch, you can actually see the glitters, but then when you use the brush on it, it doesn't show up unless you probably use the effect spray stuff. Then it will probably show up, but I don't know yet. I haven't even tried that. But other than that, I really love the colors. They actually blended well if you actually blend them really good, as much as you can. They're actually worth like $10 each of that palette, or $16 as a whole bundle. It was really worth it. It looks like it's really better than Hot Topic makeup, to be honest. I've seen that kind of looked very patchy on some videos that I've seen, but this is not really patchy as what other people say, because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like other makeup eyeshadows would done the same thing, because my makeup, I was everywhere, and I was in a really heat of Houston, so humidity of heat, it was like 94 degrees outside, especially that my car doesn't have air. It actually did a good job, more than my eyebrow, to be honest. So yeah, I really did enjoy those makeups, and if you guys want to try some yourself, you can go ahead on the app and order some and try different experiences, because it doesn't hurt to experience makeup for yourself, because all makeup gurus, some of them, they actually lie, or they have different skin tones, so sometimes some of those stuff don't work out, or sometimes some of them are kind of snobby, and they just do it for, I guess, hating, I guess. I don't know. Freaking makeup community is so weird. I don't understand it, but anyways, I had fun with the colors a lot. I think I'm gonna use the palette a lot, and you might see it in some of my videos if I do some in the future. Hopefully I do, and hopefully I don't stop doing that. But yeah, for me, they pass. They all get 5 out of 5. No, actually 4.5 they get. So yeah, thank you so much on this nice journey of Hush with me. I'm gonna probably order some other stuff soon, but I don't think so right now, because I actually have the colors that I need right now. I'm gonna probably need some purples soon enough, but yeah, I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, have a nice day, you guys.